Hi everyone, it's the Canny Crafter, and we only have 20 minutes left on the card, so that gives us to like 4:30. So I feel like we need to be quick, but then I don't know what to do. Let's see, I just need a little flip through to see what I've done on other pages, just to refresh the old memory. Yeah, we've been concentrating on fixing waterlogged pages. This page is not waterlogged, but it still needs something. These are the Digital Collage Club printables. Let's cut this out. I just want to see something. Quick, and then I picked the most complicated thing out of that pack, the pussycut. I mean, you don't have to decorate every page. I just feel I need to. I don't know. And if I don't use this here, we'll use it somewhere else. No, I don't like it there. What if we cut this in half? Approximately in half. I just think it looks pretty on this page. Ooh! No, I like it there. I lost my glue book. And then the other half. Have I got anything that needs disguising? What about on there? Like so. So roll that glue off. Okay. We're over here. Oh, we could stamp some little mushrooms. That's what I want to do. I want to stamp some little mushrooms. That one's too big for that block. Actually, use the square block that I've just put away and do them one by one because I don't actually know where I want them. I thought I would be saving time. I wasn't. I want the biggest one actually. I think I might. Yeah, we're not using mushrooms for a while. Okay, yeah, that one's done. Do I want to add anything to this page? This little flower is sitting on my desk. It will go a journey. We had this conversation last time. If it falls on the floor, that's it. It's gone forever. I can't get my scissors through. I think I want this blue butterfly. Coming in up here. Just because you can't really write on this page, so let's just... I don't want that little butterfly. We could do 2 butterflies. Did I just see that little butterfly? No. No, I think 2 butterflies is enough. A pink flower. Take this little pink flower. Do we just want the 3 things? I think we do. Oh, hang on, which side is the right side and which is the wrong side? That looks like the right side. I don't normally worry about things like that, but everybody else seems to, so I don't know. Really about the 3 in 1, it does just roll off. And I think I want to do some pen. Let's see what this looks like. It's not very strong, is it? I think I'll do some 4 stitching. Where am I with a pen? What colour is this? Because sometimes I pull out pink and it looks like a purple. And have we run out of time? Yeah. I don't know. It says I still got 21 minutes, but it said 21 minutes before. And now I want to do a song. Got 21 seconds to go. That was wedged. I think we'll finish this page and then I'll have a break, empty the card and come back. And find another piece of this paper. Because this is the last of it. How many stamps did we get out of that? It's your pesky little tail that causes the problemos. Is there a teeny tiny flower in here? Or is there a teeny tiny flower in there? There is a teeny tiny flower in here. Oh, that one's fraying. They're all fraying. Why am I holding on to this? Look at this little flower. It's just a half a flower. Doesn't really show up, does it? A teeny tiny flower. That's what I was looking for. It needs to be, I think, quite a dark pink though. Got one over here. Shame apparently couldn't upside down. Yep. Okay, we've decorated that. Do I want to do another one of those? I don't think I do. I think we might just leave that. Let's do a 4mm punch. And this page has some damage along the bottom. And the gold has managed to transfer over here from the paint pen. It mustn't have been quite dry, or that happened when the water spilled. We don't know yet. It says we have 7 minutes left. I think we can. I need like something big to glue on. This is out of an old planner. I just ripped the pages out. I think I've kept the cover as well. You'll probably see that in an upcoming video. Right, I put it closer to the bottom in the hopes of remedying that little tear there. I might put some mushroom stamps along there, which have all fallen off. Of course they have. Oh, that one's too big. Oh, let's just stamp that on something. I don't want to waste it. That one, because it's going that way. And then let's do one. I've got to try and remedy that. I have this glue eraser. Okay. I've lost my lid. I can't really spend time looking for my lid because we've only got like 4 minutes to go now. Didn't think of something to do with this. this is like a flip up. I don't know. Unless there's like another page that needs to be covered. Like the other side of this. Yeah, it's gonna have to go there. Is that the case for all of the gold pen? No, maybe it just wasn't dry enough when I put it on. I don't want that colour. I want that colour. This is again from an old diary. Ooh, that's full of gunky glue. Let's glue on the other side of that, shall we? Right. I still need yeah, we can just do a cluster. We'll have this flower. We're going to put something little. Ooh. No. I don't know what to do on this page. That's the problem. I want to use something from the card kit. Quick as a fox. Ha! Quick as a fox. Put this out. Sorry, the card filled up. I told you we want a time crunch. So I took some stuff off and I just come back to say all I did was fussy cut quick like a fox. I'll say it again because that was funny. Fussy cut this out and it's just a little tuck spot. Yeah, have I got something to demonstrate the tuckiness of this tuck spot? Have another one of these. Yeah, we can put something in it, we cannot put something in it, but it just brings a little bit of interest to that page. So I'm going to leave it there for now. I did only like get a smidge more time on the card. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for joining me. Bye.